Hey, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. And smash that like button if you like this video. Don't be bashful about it. Today, I'm going to surprise my wife. Now, she loves Caesar salad dressing. Okay, I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of tahini and the juice of 2 lemons. 1 bunch of garlic. I want to put that in. I want to get that really chopped up. Next thing I got to add is chickpeas. I'm using Goya. Now I want to save some of the juice inside, called Aquafaba. I want to save some on the side. I put it right inside my processor. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of mustard. Tbs Dijon Mustard. Very nice, very good stuff. 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Now, I know I'm going to get comments on this, but this is regular Worcestershire sauce. Low sodium, but regular, okay? If you can get your hands on vegan Worcestershire sauce, there is such a thing, you can use it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I think you can get it on Amazon. I'm going to use this, all right? Don't yell at me, all right? 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. And 1/2 teaspoon Tabasco. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 cup of good virgin olive oil. That's very good. That lemon's really pronounced. It's very nice. And you taste that garlic, the raw garlic. Nice hit of that garlic. Beautiful. Okay, 2 more things we got to add. Remember that liquid from the beans? Okay, this is a little thick. I'm going to add a little liquid. A couple tablespoons. And then I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. That's what nutritional yeast looks like. It's like little yellow flakes. Nutritional yeast is a vegan's answer to Parmesan cheese. I like nutritional yeast a lot. Maybe like 1/2 cup. Ooh, I'm like a scientist over here. Hey, my wife just came home. The cat's out of the bag. I gotta see you later. I gotta hide all the stuff. All right, bye. So we have to make croutons without making croutons. So what we're gonna use for croutons is butternut squash. It's wonderful. So you want to separate these 2 parts. That's where the seeds are. I'm just going to take a spoon and scrape those seeds right out of there. Very easy. About 1/2 inch dice. This part's easy because it's solid. I'm going to cut it 1 cut, and then it's flat. It'll cut easy now. And I cut 1/2 inch slices. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I have a preheated 400-degree oven, single layer. I'm going to put it right into my oven. I'm going to check it in 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be good. 400 degrees. Beautiful. There you go. Very nice. Actually took about 15 minutes in the oven. Very nice. Just tender. I like to leave a little bite to it. Just tender enough. Gonna make a nice crouton. Let it cool off perfectly. And now we have to deal with the kale. So this is how kale comes. It's very sturdy, leafy vegetable. That stem, can't eat that stem. You got to take the kale leaves off of the stem. And very easy. Hold the stem and just pull the leaves off. Strip the leaves off like that. There's your stem. Get rid of it. Can't do anything with that. And there's your leaves. You have to fill the bowl with water. Agitate the kale. Get all the dirt in it loosened up. Kale's a very dirty vegetable. Let it sit. The dirt sinks to the bottom. Kale floats on top. Give it 5 minutes. And then gently take the kale out of the water. Give it a good shake. Wash your hands, because you're going to be using your hands to mix this salad. This is a very important step. Kale is tough to eat it, just as it is. It's very tough. It's very difficult to eat. It's very unpleasant. So you have to tenderize it. Okay, remember that beautiful Caesar salad dressing we made? I'm going to put a good, like, half a cup in here. A good amount. I'm not going to mix it. I'm going to massage it. Really get in there and squeeze the dressing into this kale. That's the only way to really tenderize it. I'm going to take a little bit of that nutritional yeast and give it a shot on there. Look at that. I'm going to take a spoonful of this dressing. Just drizzle on top like that. Then I have these croutons. Sprinkle them around like that. Okay, that's a wonderful Caesar salad. So healthy. Vegan, if you use the right Worcestershire sauce. If not, it's almost vegan. That's okay. Colorful, beautiful, tender, wonderful. Hey, listen, you eat like this, you got to live to be 150 years old. That's old. That's a little older than me. I'll see you at the next video.